These are the grip gloves with touchscreen function from Scan. We have here a general purpose glove, ideal for a multitude of trades and tasks. To allow this to happen, the glove is made from a multitude of different materials. On the palm, we have synthetic leather. The reason why this is used is to resist drying and cracking. As you'll see, there are no stitches or crease lines on the palm of the glove for added comfort. On here, we also have the silicone print. Now, this enhances grip against heavy and coarse materials. On the reverse side of the thumb, we have the terry toweling. This material is ideal for wiping sweat from your brow on the hot summer days. In between the fingers, we have the stretch fit zones here. This allows for optimum fit and added comfort. You also have the adjustable hook and loop wrist strap to make sure you get a secure fit on the glove. Also, you see on the top here, we have a reflective print. This is also for added visibility on site. One of the main features of this glove is that after use, the glove is going to be very dirty. It's going to be ingrained with a lot of oil and grease and dirt. If you've got an emergency phone call coming in and you need to take the call, on the reverse side of the first finger, you'll see here we have a touchscreen enabled material. If you do happen to have an emergency phone call, like so, you can take the phone and you can use the touchscreen enabled button to receive the phone call. These Scan grip gloves with touchscreen function are available in two different sizes, large and extra large. This lightweight and flexible glove from Scan is an ideal addition to any tradesman's toolbox.